There's that new tail light. Kind of cool, huh? Check it out. Here are the front ones. Very nice. Easy install. The only thing you have to worry about when you install the connector to the OEM part is real close, and it's clipped in with a ratchet strip. But all you need is a flathead screwdriver and a little bit of patience to work it out, and you'll be good to go. The tail light assembly, I had to actually remove the rider seat bracket, which is where the two bolts fit in here when you put the front seat on. And the reason I had to do that is because I wasn't getting good access to the right and left hand turn signals in the rear. They had plenty of slack on the ones in the video, but for some reason mine were really taped in there tightly. So I removed that, gave me more slack to work with. But other than those two things, everything went smoothly. It took me about 45 minutes to do the tail light assembly, both front turn signals, and the Generation 2 flasher relay. And I think it looks great. Now I have a story about TST Industries that isn't so great. So let me get to that in just a minute. For a while now, I've been wanting to upgrade my tail light assembly and my turn signals. So I went online and watched some videos and decided that TST Industries put out a nice product. So I decided to order those products from them. The products were the integrated tail light assembly, the Mech GTR front turn signals, and the Generation 2 flasher relay. I went right to TST Industries website, and I got a little bit of a discount for bundling. Now, I ordered them on maybe the 2nd of December. I received an email letting me know that they had been shipped on the 4th of December. Priority mail. I was told it would take 2 to 5 days. And on the 3rd day, when I checked out the tracking number, I noticed that the package was still at Lake Helen, Florida post office. So I emailed TST Industries and asked them why it was still there. They said that it's probably on the way to the next destination, and just be patient. It takes 2 to 5 days, and it's only been 3 days. So I'm like, yeah, okay, that makes sense. I'll do that. So that's what I did. On the 8th day, I emailed them again. And I said, you know, it says that it's still at the Lake Helen, Florida post office. I'm going to call them. Would you do a follow-up with them also? They didn't respond to that. But they did respond by saying, well, we expect our customers to understand that delays may be in order, and just remain patient. If you want a refund, we will give you a refund, but be aware it's going to cost us additional money. So I'm like, well, all right, I'll be a little bit more patient. 2 weeks go by, and I'm now wanting my package. It's only coming from Florida. It shouldn't take all that long to get here. I understand there are delays, but I inquired this time about my refund and how long would it take for me to get it. And they again said, well, we're sorry that your package hasn't arrived, but again, if we refund your money, it's going to cost us extra money. So just please be patient. So I wait 2 days, and you know, I thought about what they said, how everything's costing them money. Never once, I mean never once, did they express any type of concern. For the customers, ever. You know, I would say little or no concern for the customers, but I'm not even going to say that. It's absolutely no concern for their customers. So I canceled. And I get a response, well, we're sorry you feel that way. You know, we spent $11 shipping it out in the first place, and now we're going to have to spend $17 more to intercept it. And I'm thinking to myself, you know, I don't care. Show your customers some concern. Now, on the flip side of the coin, I still wanted the TST Industries product. I had watched the videos, I had read the reviews, and they seemed to be quality products. Of course, I won't know that for sure until some time goes by. But I went back online and I went to Moto Stars. I went onto their site and I found the exact same parts for my bike. No difference in the pricing. Oh yeah, I had to pay an extra $5 and some change because I didn't get the bundle deal that TST Industries gave me, but who cares? So I put all this stuff in my cart, and I noticed that they have free shipping also. But the only free shipping, in fact the only shipping I saw period, was through the US Postal Service. So I emailed them and I say, you know, I've had a bad experience with the US Postal Service. Can I get it sent UPS? And if I get it sent UPS, can I get it sent free shipping with UPS? And they respond to me and said, oh yeah, absolutely. So I'm like, okay. So they said, just go back on the site, and once you put in your order, we'll all be set. So I go back onto the site, and I thought maybe there would be somewhere I could look that I didn't look. Maybe I failed to see it as far as UPS shipping, but I saw nothing. And again, the only free shipping I saw was through United States Postal Service. So I contact them again, and I say, you know, I want to order from you guys. I trust that you will send it UPS, but I'm not getting that on the invoice. The invoice is telling me that the only free shipping is going to be through United States Postal Service. And if I complete my order, that's what's going to be on my receipt. So if something goes wrong, I have no recourse. And they respond to that and say, give us your part numbers and we will create an invoice for you. So that's what I did. I gave them the part numbers, and maybe a half hour to 40 minutes later, I receive 2 emails from them. One is the invoice itself, and the other is an explanation of the invoice. And in the second one, they give me a link. They say, if you're happy with what you see, just click this link to complete your order. So I click that link, and on the receipt it says free shipping, UPS ground, and I'm a happy cowboy. And that, to me, is what customer service is all about. They didn't have to go through all that shit, but they did. They went above and beyond what they needed to do, and they even wrote in their email how important their customers are to them. And this guy worked with me beautifully, and I will not forget that. If you're looking for some modification parts, I would highly suggest you look through Motostarz, because they will treat you right. TST Industries is more concerned about the money they're going to make. And they show absolutely no concern for their customers. It's all about them. So, I'm not knocking the product. The product hopefully will turn out to be a quality product. I'm liking it so far. But just steer clear of TST Industries when it comes to the actual ordering. They won't treat you right. So, that's my opinion. Installation went well. The videos that TST Industry puts out are quite good. They make it easy to follow. There are a couple little things in them that you might want to look at a bit more carefully, because I've learned through the installation videos that I've watched, usually they don't go as smoothly as the video. There's always going to be some little thing, and I found 2, but no big deal. You can deal with it. So, old guy riding. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like. Certainly give me a like, that would be nice. And stay safe and stay upright. And I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.